All right, welcome back. This video is for the people curious. That's a hard word. Curious, like me, the people that want to find out more. And it's okay for me to open the testing kitchen to everybody to see exactly what I do, because I would like to know what people do. They try to sell me something. So this is the kitchen, testing kitchen. It's It's a home kitchen, pretty big because I need more space to make a mess. But it's a clean mess, like they say over here. So we'll go ahead, and I haven't touched anything after serving lunch. Again, I served the shrimp, salad as entree, and fruit for lunch, a large salad. And I didn't touch anything, so you can actually be curious and see what it is about. And we'll just pick a few items. I'll give you a few comments about it in the future. I will open for questions so I can be more towards what you are curious about. Okay, let's see where we are. Start from where we left. I did a video outside to show the end of the testing. This is what is left over from the shrimp salad. And this is few items that I have bought for tonight. So I have some fresh kale. I'm going to do a wedding soup. Zucchini, I'm gonna use it for the wedding soup. So as you can see, I go to the grocery store every day just to buy what I need. I don't spend more than 30 minutes in the grocery store. I always like to go there. I like to see people. I'm curious about people. And it relaxes me. It relaxes me to go to the grocery store and I think about food. So if you love food, I'm sure that you like ingredients. Some markets, they have such a positive energy that helps you to get into the healthy lifestyle and cooking and sharing what you're cooking tonight, what she cooking, meeting friends and people in the neighborhood. So it's always good to go to the market. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. So I have some peas that I'm gonna use for a vegetable soup for the weekend. I have some pinto beans that I'm going to put in water, get them ready for next recipe. It'll take about 12 hours, 12 hours for the beans. This is an option when you get organized. Instead of to get the canned beans that you can find with organic quality and pretty good. I like this option to organize myself 12 hours ahead and put in water. This is the bread, the ciabatta bread for tonight. I have one more testing tonight, and this is good enough for 2 people. You're gonna learn that in my recipes, so everybody gets 2 slices, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I have 2 people tonight. Those slices are perfectly 25 grams each. You're gonna learn how to make ciabatta bread, very easy, or you are going to learn where you can buy. Some of these ingredients you don't have to cook it. You can use the market available. There are plenty of local stores that they make fresh bread, local places where they bring organic fruit and vegetables. You can take some shortcuts. They do cost a little bit more because you'll support their business, but it's okay. So the recipes that I will offer you, they will have also my notes. They will say what kind of shortcuts you can take if you're a busy person. Let's go ahead and keep looking. Asparagus. Tonight I'm gonna cook a baked chicken with asparagus, parsley. I always like herbs. I wash them and then I put some paper towel underneath. Keep in the refrigerator. It's a little wet. It keeps them fresh. That's something that you're gonna learn in my section, cooking tips. These are the ingredients I got for tonight. Some thyme, rosemary, and sage for the chicken. I'm gonna do a baked chicken with herbs. These ingredients I used for lunch. Radish, I squeezed the lemon, I served the apple. I have a program for the salt intake. You're gonna learn that when you stick with mealsforlongevity.com. This is my bucket of the week where I keep leftover vegetables, things I have to work on, and I use them for soups, stir fries. It's always good to have a leftover bucket, and once a week you can use leftovers. This is the lettuce I used for today. It's iceberg. You can use also romaine. Few things that I got from the local deli, that's marinated peppers and olives to top the salad. Squeeze the lemons. Don't get the green bottles. If you can stay with natural products, it's always the best. Fruit, I serve the blueberry, apple. Wash your fruit. Wash your herbs. Wash your mushroom. Wash your vegetable. This will cost you less than $10. And most likely you can find this in the used, in the places where people, they sell what they have after they move on to a new life. You know what I mean? Those stores where you can find a little bit of everything that people left. And you can buy this for $2-3, new, less than $10. This is one of the tools I love. There are few tools that they are essential and they're very cheap. So this is a spinner. It works like this. Water. I'm showing you because some people, they never even thought about it. Okay? Change the water a few times. Cold water. In Florida, sometimes we have that problem over there. And then it's called spinner. You remove this water. Spinner because it turns around. They're different. The one that you push and the one that you pull with the cord. I like this one because it's less stress to my wrist. Sorry, I cannot do this with the phone. But you get it. You pull all the way, spins, release all the water. All right. What else you like to see? I'll show you the secret of my program if you want to see it. Let's see. And let's see together. All right. So this is where I write down final framework of the recipe that I've been working for the past 2 years. So this is the book with the recipes I work every day. This is from last night. I made pork schnitzel. This is my shopping list. So as you can see, I worked hard. And slowly, it takes maybe 30 minutes to cook something, but it takes about 8 hours, 10 hours to publish a recipe on the internet. So as I finish the recipes, I finalize them, I approve them with the judges, then I will have more time to put them on the internet so you can enjoy them. What else? Let's go and check and see the area where I cooked. So this is for the dipping sauce, balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. This is from a friend of mine, Fabio. He's a local distributor, important distributor. I'm going to ask him the link so you can buy this. It's a very good balsamic vinegar, directly from Italy. Then I like to use white wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. You can find this also from Fabio, Sapore della Vita. I use recipes. See, this is a sneak preview. This is the recipe. I follow them and I keep the history. This is all the time I've tried this recipe with suggestions. So as you can see, there is a deep work into this. This is my little brain that I keep with me. I keep pictures on. Eventually, for members in the next few years, you're going to be able to have access to all this. So movies, details. What else? This is the fruit for today, moringa tea that I served today. I gotta do a little bit more. So this there I cooked. I marinated the shrimp over there. This is my extra virgin olive oil. This is garlic and parsley that I use for marinated. I like this a lot. We're gonna talk about equipment, tools that you need in your kitchen. They're very basic, very inexpensive. The salad bowl where I made the salad. So again, there is a lot of things that I like to share with you. This is just few things that came in my mind. Remember, all my movies are uncut. I don't prepare what I have to say because there is a lot to say. And I think if I give you a little bit of information here and there, you will learn a little bit more. So if you took one good comment, feedback from this video, this is good enough for me. So remember, mealsforlongevity.com is the website. Subscribe to the newsletter so I can keep you informed, because next year, 2024, there is a lot of things coming up available. So if you think time is valuable for you and you like to have a healthy life and a long life, and you have made the choice, because you have to choose to get to that direction, I'm here to work for you. Chef Giuseppe, mealsforlongevity.com. Thank you for watching.